Onions have never tasted so good. You will always want to make this recipe. For our recipe, we will need 7 onions. Make a cut in the middle of each of them. Be careful not to break the onion completely. After that, put all these onions into a pot. Add water to cover and let them cook for 20 minutes. Then put them aside to cool. Now in a bowl, add 300 grams of beef mince, 1 onion, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of flour, a dash of fine herbs, 60 ml of oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix it all very well with your hands. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for following our recipes. Now take all the boiled onions and remove some layers, and add inside those layers some of our meat mixture. After that, roll them well and repeat the same process until the layers and meat are done. To continue, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 400 ml of water, 60 ml of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix these ingredients well. This recipe is very simple and delicious. You will love it. Now in a frying pan, add the onion rolls. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love onions. Pour all the sauce we made into the pan. Cover this pan and let it cook on low heat for 30 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.